boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Jason MRAZ, perhaps you recognize that name. I'm Yours is one of his songs, but this one you might like it. I think you do, so you might like it. It's a cool, funny, and uplifting song here from Jason. So let's take a look at this one. We need to set our capo on the 3rd fret here. With that, we have 5 different chords. All right. So 5 chords, let's go over those first. So we have the E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. C, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. D next, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally, A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Alright, so before we look at the chord progressions and all that good stuff, we will learn the strumming pattern. It works here for the song. So E minor will be the first chord. 1 strumming round will be down, down, clap, down, up. So down, down, clap, down, up. Alright, so a couple rounds of it sounds like this to get the rhythm. Down, down, down. Okay, so down, down, clap, down, up. Alright, so let's look at the different parts here of this song. So we have the first verse, or the verses. Goes E minor, 2 strumming rounds, G, 2 strumming rounds, and C, 4 strumming rounds. So E minor 2, G 2, C 4. Alright, so that's the verse. And then comes the chorus. You will play C 2 rounds, D 2 rounds, and E minor 4 rounds. So C, D, D, E, E minor, 4, C, Alright, so you play verse 1, then chorus 1, then verse 2, and chorus 2. And after the second chorus, you will play the post-chorus. Comes right after the second chorus, and you're going to play C2, D2. So it starts in the same way, but the last chord now will be A. So A4 instead of the E minor 4. So the post-chorus will be C2, So for the verses, you're going to play 2 chord progression rounds. For the chorus, you're going to play 2 chord progression rounds. And for the post-chorus part, you're going to play 3 rounds. So C2, D2, A4 for 3 rounds. Then after this post-chorus part, about 1 minute and 52 seconds into the song, comes a bridge part. Here you're just going to play 1 down per chord. And you're going to do that for C, E minor, and D. And a longer pause on D, and you play that for 2 rounds. So again, like that. All right. And then after this bridge part comes a very long outro part. Okay, so you're gonna play this outro for at least 1 minute, I think, and it's in the same way till the very end. It goes C, 2 strumming rounds, E minor 2 string rounds and D4 rounds. So like this. You play that to the very end, so C2, E minor 2, and D4. And that pretty much covers Jason Mraz's You Might Like It. I think so. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know, thumb up, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't yet. Doesn't cost anything, just gives me more motivation to go on here. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.